Hi everybody, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We have magnificent presentation not on this boy, not on the boy, but instead it's going to be an unboxing, and I'll give you a hint. It's the biggest play set arguably ever. Hint is it's from the 80s, and hint is it begins with a GI, ends with some common Joe style name, and has to do with a flag. So stay tuned for more. We're going to unbox what appears to be a near new old stock USS Flagg.
Yo, Joe!
He'll fight for freedom wherever there's trouble. G.I. Joe is there. G.I. Joe!
All right, let us begin. We're going to carefully open up the seams.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you
3, 2, 1. Come here. What do you think? G.I. Joe. She's left speechless. Imagine that. And of course, it's the back, so stay tuned for the front side. Uh-oh. 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 Feels like Christmas 86 or so. 3, 2. Dun dun. Oh my lord. What do you think of that, boys and girls? Why don't you check it out? I think it's Child's World sticker. I think you got your Tomcat, got the Wild Weasel. What's pretty crazy incredible is at this point we see kind of a seal here. Maybe we want to open it, not sure. And then on this side, we see a seal here and here. Makes you wonder if it's double sealed from the factory or if it's double sealed from the child. The child supposedly didn't ever play with it. I wonder if the parents had to take a look inside. So let me know below. Let me know what you think. Should a seal like this be opened or not opened? Do you think it's authentic? Do you think it's not authentic? Should I open it? Would that help the value to authenticate what's inside? Or should I just leave it? Kind of like a lucky draw. Here's the other side. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. And keep us in mind for great Joe, great Marklin, great cast iron. I'm Ed, toys at AntiqueToys.com. Have a great day. Cheers.
Yo, Joe!
He'll fight for freedom wherever there's trouble. G.I. Joe is there. G.I. Joe! G.I. Joe is there.